Alright, today on the chopping block we have problem here. This is what happens when you don't run a pipe yard. It has a giant crack in it. So this isn't my bite. This is a buddy's of mine. We're gonna use a ESOB EMP 205. That's not our settings. I gotta set it. Yeah, we're doing some hardcore MIG wire, 75-25 gas. Let's get it. Alright, so I'm gonna clean this up a little bit with a wire wheel and get it ready to weld. Always wear safety glasses. Take your watch off, people. You don't want to ruin your watch face, okay? Always take your watch off. We're getting a little hot here, burning through, so we're going to let it cool just for a little bit. Not very long, just maybe several seconds. Alright, so like I said, not pretty, but we want it to hold. Welding with a EMP 205. There's what my settings were. That was probably about just right. This one will be ready to have these dents blown out. There's dents all the way around it. That was the big thing. He couldn't blow the dents out because there was a giant gaping hole. Now there's no hole. Now he'll be able to blow it out. Plus, you know, he was losing a lot of power because of the hole, or the gash. So live to ride another day.